Here we have a rather beautiful antique painted wardrobe, this one, pine of course, and as you can see it's painted all over in a sort of green colour with floral and these are a little bit more obscure, but they're sitting on bun feet at the bottom. And this, as I said, is rather beautifully painted at the front. The doors are panelled. Now these are often given as wedding presents, and we have a date here of 1829, so that could well be the date of the wedding. This is a West German wardrobe. Now, unlike most of our wardrobes which completely dismantle, the top and bottom come off and then it splits in two all the way down the middle. The lock and the key are fully working. Now we'll fit a new brass hanging rail inside for you, and at the bottom there is a shelf that's actually sitting above the drawer. That actually will, if we were to split it apart, that would actually drop down to sit on top of that drawer. Now the code for this one is K6208I, and it's £1,750. The height is 79 inches, it's 68.5 inches wide, it's 23.5 inches deep, and the internal depth is 18 inches. Alternatively, we could put shelves in this one to make it in the cupboard if you didn't want it as a wardrobe.